guys, welcome back to another video. Oh, sorry, I put my face out. So today we're unboxing Captain Park A330 by AirAsia. So you guys requested a big request about this A330 here. Overall, a lot of you guys love this. So, finally, dude, thanks for the request, and I'm totally unboxing this bad boy. So, let's get it open. So we had some quick detailed facts down here. And right here, yeah. So what we have here is as with Korean words, English. So let's do this. Obviously, there's cards here. AirAsia sell very good merchandise on board, especially plane models. Get your hands on it soon. Very good. This box. Here we go, guys. This. A330 pieces in it, wings attached. Let's get the building started. Okay, guys, I'm just going to open this model, so sorry for you. This is the body, Captain Park 1, Korean one. Oh, look at it. It's beautiful. Oh, look at it. It's beautiful. It's here. See those? These are the wings. Got gears with it. I don't know why AirAsia sells gears with it, but they're very good models they sell. Obviously, you can. Oh yeah, you can buy these models online, and then you can get it at the on the plane on your flight. It would be super awesome, but it is awesome at least. Check this out. I'm gonna have a hard time stuffing this in, so don't mind my very hard push and press. Got paid like 119 ringgit, which is probably around 120, I guess, roughly 40 bucks. It's hard to slide this in, so I keep doing this jiggling motion. Keep pushing it in. So probably it will take a little bit of muscle work. Woo! Some plane wings can be super hard to press it in. They can take you a little while, than 3 minutes. So, of course you can. Don't put wings. You might snap the wings. It's pretty bad. The wing probably really tight. Shouldn't glue it, so glue is a bad idea. But if you have models that require gluing, that's okay. It's the bird. Almost finished. The engines, this is very hard part. It's a thing. Actually, you can do this. Just pull. See this? Just like try to pull this way, or like span or some sort. I don't know. Or this twisting. Twist could help, but it's best to do with something else. So, jeez, it's so hard. Just give me a sec. I swear that's important. Using a pen to punch your holes with it. Sharp. I swear I punched this one. So this one gets a little tiny hole. Overall, like best you guys use something else. A pen is okay. Don't use a knife, but a pen is perfect tool to punch around plastic stuff. Or keep this because someday we need to take it over Australia. This is the beauty. Stand and kit, punch it out, and I can use the stand as a blade cutter. So do like this, press the film over, and then slide the stand underneath that, which you get a tiny pocket hole. Pretty unique, but overall not pretty. And someday I'll put this stand on it. Each blade slice and pull. This trick. So you just slice it, poke it in, and pull that. Simply, right? Some rounds out, it's very difficult. Here we go. We finish assembling the i330. Okay, ready? Put the stand on. Learn everything before you do it. It's 1200, so pretty big. Pretty good. There you go. Get the model. See this? This is the boy. And look at this. The belly is new. Inside. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe and please comment for the next things that I'm going to do for the gaming series. But overall, by the way, you can buy this airplane on the plane as well as it costs around 119 ringgit, but you can change it to any currency you need. And it is still on sale, so these things are pretty beautiful. So better catch one. And also shout out to Sunny Devil Math. He's very, very sad because someone broke the plane. It's A33. But I hope this video helps make it better. And overall, hope Air should give me a discount so you can buy a new one. So